This video takes place in February of 2020, prior to the quarantine. So it's 26 degrees out, and I have loaded up some of my stuff to take to storage, and I cannot find my storage key. So I've got my key, and I did spill my coffee in the back seat. So that's what happens when you have so much going on and you're thinking 2 steps ahead and you just get a little scatterbrained. Good. 4 to go yet. This is a huge storage locker. And I've got it because it's a great place to have a garage sale. Instead of paying $80 for a weekend for town hall, I pay $60 a month, can have them whenever I want to, at least once a month I'd say, and it's at the intersection here, 2 highways, great open area, very visible from all directions. Now the plan is, I will eventually, when it warms up, pack some of this stuff and take it to a flea market. And it will be the first time I've taken my RV to a flea market. Now, I've been to flea markets before, and I did it the old-fashioned way. Lug everything around, pack it up at night. We are at the storage unit, and I am getting it filled up little by little. And I bought this at an auction. This mirror for less than $1. And this nice retro typewriter table. So yeah, on wheels. So try to start picking stuff up like this so I can have tables to set my stuff on when I do have a garage sale. We're off to a good start. Here are a few of the bigger items that I got at the auction. I got this here. Oh, really heavy canvas cot. I haven't undone it yet. I think I'm going to take that up to the storage unit and maybe use it as display or maybe for camping. Camping's always fun. We enjoy that a lot. So, got that for $3. If I were going to sell it, I'd price it kind of high because I plan on using it. So, I'd probably price it at $125 just because I want to hang on to it for a while. Then we got this here, nice metal box. Got some nice graphics on it. And inside we have skates. I think I paid around $10 for this whole thing. And it's really crusty. So I'm thinking I may be able to get $30 to $40 for it. But if I clean it up, and hopefully it cleans up really nice, and these graphics show up, hopefully I can get a little more. This is a 1936 Gilbert chemistry outfit. It's wood. It's a nice little clasp. I paid $22.50 for this, and it really needs cleaned up. But the great thing is, it still has the chemicals and stuff inside the little wooden containers and vials over here. More vials down here. Some are broken, but it's just really rough shape. It needs cleaned up. I'm not sure where I'll be at with that on that yet. Depends on what it looks like when I'm done. So $22.50 for that piece. And here we have a wood easel. It's roll. You can roll it for different things here. If you can see that. There we have, it has a chalkboard, comes off. It needs a little bit cleaning too, a little bit of repair. This will go straight to the flea market, and I'm going to probably ask about $45 for it. Here are some more items I picked up. I haven't really valued them yet, so I'll have to put that information in later. This will be the last of the bigger stuff, and then I have some smaller stuff, and this is part of those. This is a mirror. It's a wood mirror. It has beveled glass. I have sold one of these recently, so I'm thinking I can make about $40 off of it. Really nice piece, clean up nicely. Here I have a pistol style reproduction cap gun. It's wood and metal, a good $10 to $20 piece. Now I know you've seen us bid on a gun at the last auction, a real gun. Each state is different. Like in Illinois, you have to have a FOID card, which I do, but in Missouri, where I was at, I basically could have bought it and walked out with it. Let's see, I've got a nice little Weatherite barometer. I don't know a lot about it. It says made in Germany, wood, nice colors, nice graphics. You can see the mechanisms. Here I have a really heavy beehive style thermos. It has an aluminum top. I paid $6 for this, and you can see inside it's very heavy. Not in bad shape. And speaking of heavy, which I'm really good at buying, I have this galvanized pail here. And inside, which I haven't pulled everything out yet, but I did see these, are cast iron stove legs. There's a matching set of two. Hopefully there's two more the same. Oh, I've got a nice hook here. Primitive style. Well, let's see, another clawfoot cast iron stove or tub leg, I guess, could be a tub leg. And I have an iron. This guy will probably just go to the trash. And bucket. Not a bad bucket. It holds some value too. Then we have this box, and most of it in there. I'll probably just go to the flea market. This is what caught my attention. It's a wood with leather strapping. It has the wood slats, style container, waste bucket, just because it really reminded me of my childhood. And that's why I bought the whole box. Get over here. Now we have a tin spout here. There's a bunch of spouts in here. Funnels, I guess. Funnel here. Funnel here. Oh, flea market. I have some tins. Oh, cedar mop tin. Not in real good condition. Some corks and whatnot in there. I've got a lantern. Oil lantern. Prince Albert, which is throwaway. Cracker tin, $1. Another funnel. Aluminum pitcher, really bad condition, really bad. Flea market, and a random lid. It is garage sale day, yeah. And today it's Friday, and I'm only having it from 8 to about 1:30. I've advertised it. I need to get it out, set up. We'll have to go from there. I've already had inquiries on my chalkboard there, cleaned up really nicely. I'm asking $55 right now just because I want to use it in my setup. Also, the cot, I've had inquiries on it. I'm asking $125 for that. And again, just because I want to use it in my setup. So let's get started. So it's 35 degrees here. I might cool. It was supposed to be in the upper 50s today. I think it's only supposed to get to 46, but it is breezy. Got a little noise there. I've had one customer, so that's all I'm gonna put out there for now. I'm starting to set up a little bit in here, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe just bring them in. It has made it up to the 40s today, but it's still breezy and really cool. I've had maybe a handful of customers. I've been here, 3.5 hours maybe? And I've made $20 to $30. But what I've been doing is organizing. So next time, maybe I can just open the door. The problem is, how am I gonna make it all fit? So that is what I'm working on right now. So here I have little surprise grab bags for anybody who spends a certain amount. They get a free surprise grab bag. That's my bucket. We all know people like to dig through things. So I've taken a basket and just a whole bunch of little bitty items, bags full items in here for whatever amount. So I think if I'd had this out sooner, I probably would have sold a few. But I'm still in the process of digging, so we'll see how that goes. As you can see, it is quite cramped in here now. I really need shelves. I do. And I did manage to purchase these holograms for my daughter, from my daughter. And I will be keeping these just because I just really like them. I did manage to make enough to pay for 3 months worth of storage, which is good. But then the quarantine hit, and that was that. I am now into the 4th month with only one garage sale under my belt.